Okay guys, welcome back to my channel. The 2024 Honda XR650L, the V-Tall Dual Sport. A true Honda classic, there is a reason the XR650L continue to have a hugely loyal following. 2. Basic and tested. This dual sport motorcycle features a torquey air-cooled single-cylinder engine, rugged steel frame, and a long travel suspension. Electric starting and street legal lighting make it good for commuting, while black rims and a black seat modernize the look. In an age of techno-wizard ride, the XR stands tall as an uncomplicated bike that's ready for any adventure you can throw its way. Performance 4-stroke engine. The 4-stroke single-cylinder engine offers good fuel efficiency and a wider power band. In addition, its proven powertrain requires very little maintenance. The 2024 Honda XR650L base MSRP at $6,999.